My name is Ayokunle. I have a banking background and I run an advisory and consulting firm. I'm an advisor on the Accelerator Africa program, and I've had the opportunity to provide advice to four of the startups. I'm advising from a finance perspective and from a fundraising perspective, and just realizing how people, the founders are passionate about their ideas, but helping them to, in the process of converting those ideas to numbers, or in some cases, validating those numbers. I've seen light bulb moments, where people realize that, oh, I've actually not been thinking about this fantastic idea, in the right way. Now I see the cash flow. I see where the money is going to come from. I think that experience for me has been profound. Just being able to add value to these firms, boarding firms from a finance perspective. For me, just having this conversation with a variety of founders. So really, it was really exciting, jumping from one call to the other and talking about different ideas. And the first few weeks, I didn't even know what the conversation was going to look like. I had to think on my feet. Here's someone, sitting, not literally sitting across in a room, but on a call, expecting me to provide, solutions to something I haven't thought about. Just being able to think on my feet, and realizing that, the things, my ideas, my thought process, my contribution is actually helping our founders, create value. I found that really exciting.